Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce ourselves. My name is Fatna Kaseba.
And Tami Alpika.
Today we are going to make about the campaign video about domestic abuse. So here's the videos. Let's watching. Greetings to all
Citizen of the United States of Bangsawan, we,
Luna,
and Jenna,
with great enthusiasm and dedication, introduce ourselves as ministerial candidates who will fight against a very serious issue that is damaging our social fabric, namely domestic abuse.
domestic abuse is not just a personal matter, it is a national problem that threatens the future of our person and nation.
First, domestic violence has a wide-ranging impact not only on the victim but also on the family and the wider community.
For example, a case in the city of Alana, where a young mother experienced physical and psychological abuse from her husband for years until she and her children had to live in a shelter.
The trauma experienced by the victim negatively affects children's development and hinders the family's productivity and in contributing to society.
Second, recent data from USB social institutions show that 1 in 5 women experience domestic violence annually.
This figure provides that this issue must not be underestimated and requires serious government intervention.
Third, lack of education and access to support service prevent many victims from daring to report.
Therefore, the system for victim protection and recovery must be strengthened so that they receive their rights and adequate support.
Such as the case in Alan City was successfully addressed through the collaboration of social institutions, the police, and the local government, which provided psychological service and legal protection to the victim.
The appropriate solution is to create early education programs, strengthen reporting service, and strictly enforce the law against perpetrators. There are 100-day work plan if elected ministers that are
Established a national anti-domestic abuse task force involving various development agencies.
launch a national education program and a campaign about the dangers of domestic violence in school and communities.
Build integration service center for violence victims in every province.
Train law enforcement officers and medical personnel in handling domestic abuse cases professionally and empathically.
Create a 24 hours hotline reporting and quick assistance for victims.
Our vision to realize a United States of Bangsawan free from domestic violence where every citizen feels safe, valued, and fully protected.
Meanwhile, our mission
increase public awareness about the impact and prevention of domestic abuse.
strengthen the system for victim protection and recovery.
Enforce the law impartially against perpetrators of violence.
Ensure the active involvement of all elements of society in the anti-domestic abuse campaign. We believe that domestic violence is a serious issue that must be faced together.
Through education, victim protection, and strict law enforcement, we can build a safer and more civilized USB.
We are very committed to implementing this program for a brighter future for USB families and communities.
Let us jointly support the campaign against domestic abuse to create a United States of Bangsawan free from violence. Together with Luna
And Jenna,
we will build harmonious families and strong nation. Your voice matters, together we can!